guys, I got another Whatnot package here. This one is from Paul Flipping Sports Guy. So let's see what I won. I think this is maybe some Steeler cards. So this was a good Steeler lot, if I think that's what it is. Paul really packages these up pretty good, so should be able to get this out in a second. Maybe fast forward through this. Let's see. Okay, got it open here. Here's the packing slip. Looks like it's a Steelers lot and a Bengals lot. Forgot I won a Bengals lot. I knew it was a Steelers lot, but let's see. Let me cut the tape here. It's always nice to see these guys package it up between two pieces of cardboard because it helps from things getting bent. Okay, so here we go. Little team bag action here. Let's get these to slide out. Chase Claypool. This is Panini. I think it's Panini Inception. Pat Freiermuth, rookie, out of Penn State. Najee Harris, rookie, out of Inception. Then we have a Joey Burrow. I don't think that's his rookie though. So second year Burrow out of Inception, right there. And then we got a Jamar Chase rookie, right there. Jamar Chase, I think, is going to be really good. Him and Burrow both played together at LSU, so that's a really good one. And then we also have a playoff momentum rookies. T. Higgins. This is kind of a clearer card here, which is super, super cool. So, yeah, I am a Bengals fan. I'm a big fan of Burrow, Chase, and Higgins. So, just trying to collect a couple cards of those guys. And it's always good to get cards of your hometown team, the Steelers. Even though I don't agree with a lot of stuff that Claypool does, he's still a pretty good player. And he does have some good YouTube videos, too. You should go check him out. But, yeah, Pat Freiermuth, I think, could be a good tight end in the league. But I am super excited to see what this guy can do, Najee Harris, out of Alabama. Now, all these cards here, all these cards are going right into my collection. They're going to go in the box, and maybe down the road I'll trade them or I'll pass them on to my kids. Okay, guys, I'm going to add this one to this video. Even though it's not a Whatnot package, this is our first Poshmark purchase. I found this shirt on there, and I really wanted it, and I've watched it for a while. Finally, the buyer or the seller sent over an offer. It was still just a little bit more than I wanted to pay, so I countered them up, and they accepted. So let's open this up, and let's check it out. Now, I don't think it was my size, so I think I'm going to actually have to sell it, which is okay, but it's still a really cool shirt. So packaged up really nicely, but it is from 2010 Death Row Records shirt. Dr. Dre, The Chronic. Pretty cool vintage shirt here. I love it. It is a size large, 100% cotton. There's the tag right there. Let's see. There we go. I think we paid $10 for it, plus shipping from Poshmark. So it was already about what, $17 or $15, something like that. So still a really good deal. These sell on eBay for $25 and up. Now, if you do find the shirts that are from a little bit later than 2010, I think it was 2005 or 2007, those shirts go for $85 and up. So this is in really good condition still. I don't think I'll have any problem getting at least $25 for it, maybe a little bit more. So we're going to get this listed on eBay. If you're watching this video and you're interested, reach out. It may still be available. I'm also going to post this on our TikTok page and our Instagram too. So if you happen to see it there, maybe you can snag it before it makes it to eBay. So a couple more cards just came in from Whatnot, and I actually opened them up in the car, so I'm going to show you what we got. Instead of opening up the package on camera, I'll just show you the cards. First off, all this came from Yinzer Picker. He's been having some great card auctions like I've had in some previous videos. We picked up this Jason Martin from the Pittsburgh Pirates. It's his auto from 2019 Topps. We also picked up, it was also in this lot with the O'Neal Cruz Bowman rookie, which O'Neal Cruz, we're big fans of him. Me and my kids were actually at his first game, and he had his first hit in his game. So we're definitely going to start collecting him. I think he could be a pretty good up-and-coming prospect for the Pirates. Then we also got this Chris Bryant. I think it's the action variant. Sorry for the light. Right here. Pretty cool card. It came in a lot, so that will probably get sold. That probably not go in the collection. I used to like Chris Bryant, just kind of not a big fan anymore, but I still pick up his stuff from time to time. Picked up this nice vintage Warren Spawn, a little soft corner on it, but still not a bad card. This is from, I can't remember what year now. I don't remember what year this one was now. I really don't. If you know what year it is, comment below. I'll look it up and figure it out though. Picked up this Ryan Sandberg rookie. Nice looking Hall of Famer right there. Perfect card. And then we also got a Tony Gwynn rookie. So super happy with these purchases. A lot of these cards will be going in the private collections, and then a couple of them will be available for sale in our eBay store. Hey guys, if you made it this far already, please hit that thumbs up down below and also leave a comment. It helps out the channel so much when you guys comment and hit that thumbs up. Now back to the footage. Okay guys, so we got another Whatnot package here. This is from the Vintage Clubhouse. I remember this is a shirt that I purchased. I think I purchased it, or I don't think this was a giveaway shirt. So I don't remember which one this is. Red, which I guess is a good thing. This is a Martina McBride shirt. It's her concert shirt. It's a size large. This is from her 2002 tour. There it is right there. Martina McBride. Pretty cool shirt. I think we paid like $1 for this one. So really good vintage haul. Little hole in the front, which I don't think they said that. But yeah, not too bad of a shirt. Very small. Maybe they said that. Maybe I just missed it. But it's got the Optima heavy tag on it right there. Yep, there we go. So it's a large. So cool shirt for $1. And like I said, it came from the Vintage Clubhouse on Whatnot. Okay, we got another package from Whatnot. This is from John, again, over at Cincinnati Picker. I'm not even 100% sure what this is. Probably, it's sports cards I probably bought from him in one of his lots. Oh, so we have a Topps Chrome pack. And we have a baseball pack, which he must have threw those in as a bonus, because John likes to throw in some bonus items for everybody when he purchases most of the time. So we'll open those up in a second, but let's see what cards we got that will be going into the collection or getting sold. Not 100% sure. So we got a Joe Adell, black, Albert Pujols, Key Brian Hayes, Bowman Chrome rookie, which I think I was in a Pirate break. Pirates and Angels, that's what this was. This was a box break that we were in with him. So nothing here. A couple Shohei Ohtanis and a Mike Trout. So nothing really in the Angels. Let's see what Pirate cards we got. Ben Gamble, Mitch Keller, Colin Moran, Mitch Kranick, another Key Brian Hayes, a Colin Moran, and a rolled off Castro. So some pretty cool cards there. So we're gonna open up these two packs real quick. Topps Chrome 2021 Update Series. Let's see what we got. So we got a Yerman Mercedes. We have a Daniel Lynch Purple. Right there. Brooks Robinson Platinum Players and Hirokazu Samakama. I probably just butchered that name completely, but you got the point. So now we're going to do the 2021 Baseball Heritage Pack. Let's see what we got in here. Jordan Blazovic, Kyle Harrison, Spencer Torkelson, Tristan, I don't know, Tink Hence, something Garcia, Asa Lacey, and Antonio Gomez. So there we go. That was this Whatnot haul. Okay guys, we got some more Whatnot packages in the mail today. We've got some cards in the mail today from Cincinnati Picker and also something from Dark County Picker. So let's open these up and check them out. This is a Key Brian Hayes Mosaic rookie from the Pirates and also a Cole Tucker Topps rookie variant pick. This is whenever they had to dress up for a road trip. Then he also threw in some freebies here. One was a Joe Montana, everybody knows that. Andrew Jones, George Bell, Lawrence Taylor, and Jerry Rice card. So cool, my kids will enjoy those ones. Oh, my light just went out. That's okay though. And then, also in this lot, was a Henry Owens auto. Also in this lot was a Henry Owens auto here, and then Yon Makata. Henry Owens, I actually got to watch this kid play when he was in the minor leagues, and super good player. So pretty neat auto. And plus, the Stadium Club is also good pictures. Then we got a package from Jimmy over at Dark County Picker. This is from one of his Whatnot auctions also. Thought I heard something real quick. I think these are some shirts, so let's see what they are. So there's packing slip, and there's also his sticker. It says thank you on it. So cool sticker. I actually have one of his other stickers over there and right down here. So let's see what shirts. I think one was a Frozen shirt, and one was a Cincinnati Bengals shirt. So this shirt here, which is cool, this is from the Disney store, or from Disney World on a Haynes, the Disneyland Resort. Pretty cool shirt. Big guys like Frozen too. So we are a Disney family. I'm not sure if I'm keeping this or what. It's kind of heavy, and I'm not a huge fan of heavy shirts, so I might turn around and flip this one. The other shirt, which I was kind of excited for, I am kind of a Bengals fan just because I do like Joey B. And this shirt was really cool. Wish I would have had it a while ago, but it's a 3X. It's a Cincinnati Bengals tie-dye shirt. NFL licensed shirt, 3X, right there. Really cool shirt. There's the tag. If you guys are interested, let me know. This is probably definitely making its way to eBay. So, like I said in previous videos, you can definitely find some deals on Whatnot that you can probably turn around and flip it to make a profit on Poshmark, eBay, or any other selling platform. So, that'll be the end for this Whatnot Winnings video. Keep your eyes peeled for more Whatnot videos in the future. I try to put some videos together when I'm buying some stuff to show you guys what I'm purchasing to sell on platforms to make an extra buck. So, till next time, guys, remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking.